Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the Murillo Twins collection with Beauty Creations. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Now let's get started with the video. First, I'm going to use the Brittany palette. This is the collaboration with Beauty Creations and it looks so beautiful. And I'm going to take it out of the packaging. And this is what it looks like once it's open. These are the colors right here. I hope you can see them and they're not too washed out. But you do get a mirror as well. So I'm going to do a purple look, purple and brown. And this eyeshadow palette does retail for $17 on beautycreations.com. So make sure you check it out. This collection has been out for a while, but maybe like a month or month and a half. But it took a while for them to ship it out because of COVID. So it just took a little longer, and this is why I'm filming it so late. But I hope you guys still enjoy this look. And I did prime my eyelid with the P. Louise base in Rumor 2. So I did prime it and I didn't set it. So I'm gonna go straight right in with the darkest eyeshadow that I'm gonna use. And I'm going to use the shade called Hella. This one here, the brown. And I'm going to take that with my Morphe M506 brush. It's a little small blending brush. And I'm just going to start applying that shade on the crease. So right here. Ooh, that is such good pigment. Wow. And I only went in like twice with the brush. So I am going to blend it with the next shade, and I'm going to use the shade Let Me Live, which is above the brown shade. And as you can see, it only got a little bit of fallout, not as much. So far so good. And with that shade, I'm going to use this other brush, the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH36. Just gonna take a little bit and start blending it out. I'm going to go back to the Morphe M506 and apply a little bit more of the darker shade and start blending that line that you see right here in the middle. You just have to keep blending it so there's no harsh lines. Now that your eyeshadow looks like this, now you can cut the crease, and I'm going to use the same P. Louise base in the back of my hand. And I'm going to take this brush by Alamar Cosmetics, the flat one, and I'm just going to start cutting the crease. So I always start on the bottom and then work my way out and then above. Now I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here, and it is called Brat. So I'm just going to take that with my finger first and just apply it on the bottom part of the lid. So it looks like that. It looks better in person. The purple is really nice. So I did apply the lashes off camera, and look at how beautiful they look. So dramatic, and yet you can still see the look. I used the Too Cocky lashes, and this is the Brianna style. So it's the more natural one in Too Cocky. And the other lashes that they have are called Drama with the W, and these are the Brittany lashes, but they're a little bit more dramatic for me. So I wanted to go with the more natural lash so you can still see the look. And what do you guys think with the look? I think it's nice and you know, something different, a little purple action. And the lashes do retail for $8 each. So the palette is $17 and the lashes are $8. So very, very affordable. And now let's move on to the face. I am going to speed up the face, but I'm still going to show you guys all the products. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to jump into the bronzer. This is the palette right here. It has 2 bronzers and 2 blushes. And let me go ahead and open it for you. It has the same type of packaging. And these are the colors right here. I am going to use both of the shades mixed of the bronzers. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Well, first I'm going to start with the lighter shade and then work my way up. Yeah, so this shade by itself is a little too light. And this palette does retail for $14. Yeah, I'm going to use the darker one. And the darker one is called Twinning. So cute. This one here. And I hope I didn't put too much. Yeah, I put too much. But it's okay, I'm going to blend it out. So this one is a little bit more on the cooler tone, but not like Hoola by Benefit. It's a little bit more red. Next I'm going to go back to the palette and I'm going to use this blush right here. It's more orangey rather than pink like that one. This shade is called Goals. So I'm going to start applying it. Ooh, that's pretty. It's definitely very pigmented. For lips, I'm going to use my Sugar Pie lip liner by Morphe, per usual. The MAC lipstick in the shade Fleshpot. So this is like a pinky nude. And for lip gloss, I'm using the Beauty Creation gloss in the shade Gold Digger 02. And look at that. That looks amazing. So this is the final look using the Murillo twins collaboration with Beauty Creations, and this is what I came up with. It's so pretty and nice. I love the purple with brown. Eyeshadow palette is $17. The lashes are $8 each. The lip drip, which I didn't get, is a set of lip gloss with lip liner or lip liner with lipstick. Those are $12 each. I just didn't like the colors, so I didn't get that. And then the face palette is $14. So I think everything is very affordable and very worth it. Just the only thing that I didn't really like were the bronzers, and that's about it, but everything else is amazing. I can't wait to use the other eyeshadow palette, which is the one with Brianna. It's this one here. It's just a little bit more natural. I'm going to show it to you guys, so let me know if you guys still want a look with this palette here. And you guys know I recently did a pink look, so that's why I went with this purple and with the Brittany palette. So yeah, let me know if you guys want maybe a Instagram tutorial on there, like IGTV. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.